unique ability to bring forth practical solutions while keeping the broader vision of societal progress in mind, and this has won him numerous admirers across the country as also outside. Shri Tiwari has made lasting contributions to the state of Rajasthan. As Education Minister in Rajasthan, he championed the cause of social equity by introducing a 15% economic reservation in 2003, empowering thousands of youths with employment opportunities. His collaboration with Microsoft in 2005-2006 to launch the Education Empowering the Future initiative revolutionized computer education in government schools. His efforts to upgrade girls' schools and promote Sanskrit education have further solidified his legacy as a leader with a vision. He himself is a Sanskrit scholar, a lawyer by profession and an agriculturist by passion. Shri Tiwari has been honored with several prestigious awards, including the UNESCO Confucius Award in 2006 and Rashtriya Satyan Mitra Award for his outstanding contribution to literacy. Shri Tiwari, as I said, a Sanskrit scholar and accomplished author, has penned two insightful books, Arakshan, Meri Bhumika, and Arakshan, Sarvajan Hitai, Sarvajan Sukhai, reflecting his commitment to public welfare. He is married to Srimati Pushpa Tiwari, and the couple is blessed with sons Akhilesh and Ashish and daughter Richa. Honorable members, on my own and on behalf of this house, I wish him a happy, long and healthy life and extend greetings to his family. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat.
With your permission, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 within brackets 1 in today's list of business. Thank you.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 2 bracket 2 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Pratap Rao Jadhav.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित प्रलेख सदन के पटल पर प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूं।
Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Jayant Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned at serial number 2, class 4 of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship.
Shrimati Anupriya Patel.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 within brackets 5 in the revised list of business for today.
Dr. Chandrasekhar Pemasani.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Suresh Gopi.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House listed against my name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Sanjay Seth.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of English and Hindi, each of the papers mentioned against my name, serial number 8 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Sukanta Majumdar.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 9 of item number 2 of today's revised list of business.
Shri Tokan Sahu.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 10 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजों की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री राजभूषण चौधरी।
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्य व्यवहार की सूची के क्रम संख्या 11 में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री पवित्र मार्गरेटा।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज के संशोधित कार्यसूची के अनुसार क्रम संख्या 12 पर मेरे नाम के सन्मुख उल्लिखित कागजातों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of the department related parliamentary studying committee on transport, tourism and culture, Shri Sanjay Kumar Jha.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to present a copy of each in English and Hindi of the 370, 371, 372, 373 and 374 reports of the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Statement by Minister Shri Sanjay Seth.
Sir, with your kind permission, rise to lay a statement of the table of the House regarding the withdrawal of advance from Contingency Fund of India in accordance with the para 5 of Appendix 1 of Delegation of Financial Power Rules 2024.
Honorable members, I have received 4 notices under Rule 267. On numerous occasions I have reflected.
Subject क्या है sir? Subject
जयराम जी इधर आ जाओ, इधर आकर बैठ जाओ.
we want to know sir. Subject.
Give me some time to speak the subject.
Allow me कर दीजिए. एक आदमी ने सलाह भी कर दीजिए.
I think I am too slow for him. Difficult for me to keep pace. Notice of Shri Sanjay Singh, Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala.
Yes sir. He is present sir. Allow me. Shall I start speaking?
And Dr. John Bitas. They demand a discussion on a statement made by the Union Home Minister. Shri Ramji Lal Suman demands discussion on protest by farmers. Honorable members would recall, and looking into the background for several decades, a discussion under Rule 267, and I reiterate, has been consensual when both the ruling and the opposition have agreed. And in asserting so, I take recourse to what has happened earlier. I had indicated that in last 3 decades, this discussion has not been in double digit. And I have...
Baba Sahib Ambedkar was never interested.